Here we are looking at a 1936 Ford Deluxe Coupe project car. Powered by Ford 460. Lots of good sheet metal here, lots of good things have begun. We've got tubular control arms. Things like the grille, the fenders, the inner fenders, doors. Look at all the pictures at uniqueclassicars.com to see what pieces are going to come with us for spare parts, for extra parts, for project parts. Be a really nice project for somebody. We've got the dash sitting in there for you to see what that's going to look like. Be sure and give us a call at 507-386-1726. Any questions? You can see some work has been done. We've got a steering rack in there. This is going to come with more pieces. We have the fender and hood off in order for you to see what that suspension looks like. Very cool project. Find more at uniqueclassicars.com.